wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best women's tool sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. Everything in the u-gogirl work is solidly built, making this a suitable choice for everyday maintenance and minor projects around the house. It's not the most budget-friendly option though. It includes a 16-foot tape measure and a magnetic nail holder. However, it is best for light repairs only. At number 9, with a full complement of rechargeable and hand tools in sturdy carrying cases, you don't have to love the color to put the pink power cordless combo to good use. From hanging window treatments and assembling furniture to installing a new drip-free faucet. It comes with an 18-volt drill and an electric screwdriver, but its battery life reduces over time. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Great Neck Essentials comes in a brightly colored tote with 18 storage pockets, as well as a comfortable carrying handle and shoulder strap. It includes a 9-inch magnetic torpedo level, and you get a total of 32 pieces. However, these aren't comfortable for large hands. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for women's tool sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Deko household is filled with useful items for taking care of home repairs. It includes a torpedo level that makes it easy to mount pretty much anything on a wall, in addition to a bunch of essential tools like pliers and scissors. There's a zippered closure on the case, and they all have an anti-corrosion coating, but the tape measure is low quality. Moving up our list to number 6, the WorkPro Repair includes a handy, durable canvas bag with a wide opening that makes it easy to access everything inside. This one would make a good housewarming gift and features an automatically locking measuring tape. However, the included flashlight isn't very powerful. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Stalwart Home comes in a durable hard-sided case full of the basics like a 4-ounce hammer, 5-inch tweezers and pliers, 3 feet of measuring tape and more, all tied together by a bubblegum pink color scheme. It's affordably priced and the pieces fit snugly in the case. The hammer has a comfortable grip. At number 4, for a comprehensive option that can tackle a wide range of maintenance and repair tasks, consider the Cartman General, which comes with an assortment of handy implements and essential hardware, including a utility knife and a 20-piece screwdriver bit set. This would be a great starter kit and is also available in blue. It meets ANSI critical standards. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a portion of the profits from the sale of each Apollo Complete DIY multi-pack goes toward breast cancer research. So at least in this instance, the color isn't simply based on gender stereotyping. All the components are corrosion resistant with non-slip comfort grips. It boasts 22 pockets on the bag, and it comes with push pins and hex keys in SAE and metric sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for women's tool sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, as the name suggests, the Scuddles Gardening is designed for outdoor tasks and bucks the pink trend with a tan-colored tote that can hold up to daily use. The tools are made of stainless steel with wooden handles. It includes durable gloves and a spray bottle, and the tote is made of washable, heavy-gauge cotton. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the WorkTough Ladycraft is a well-organized 44-piece kit. Somewhat refreshingly, it comes in purple rather than the more common pink. It includes a 7-ounce claw hammer, and the whole thing weighs just over 6 pounds. It includes the required batteries. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for women's tool sets, or simply click beneath this video.